a wall hanging. So before making this wall hanging, remember that you should wear an apron. You should use an old table and you should make this wall hanging under the supervision of any elder. So the materials required are some water, plaster dust, a small piece of string which should be tied like this, a paintbrush, a set of paint, a spoon, an old plastic bowl or container in which you will mix it, and any structure which you will use it as a mold. So let's start it practically. So we have taken 2 tablespoons of plaster dust. Now we will add water gradually. This paste is thick, now you can see. Now we will put our string here so that for making our wall hanging. Now we will add this paste. Now we will spread it uniformly with the spoon. And then we will let it dry for 3 hours. As you can see that I made 2 wall hangings and they both are dried. So now it's painting time. Let's paint them. And now this is ready.